Dear students, in this video I am going to explain you about introduction to Office package or software. This is the part of digital documentation. Office package is a collection of programs which are useful for word processing, spreadsheet preparation, presentation and database management. There are various office packages are available, but according to your syllabus, we will use LibreOffice software. LibreOffice software is a free and open source software fully featured office productivity suite. Currently, the version of LibreOffice is 6.4.2.2 and above are available. It is available free for downloading from the website www.libreoffice.org. This package is available in many languages and runs on many platforms, that is Windows, Mac, Macintosh and Linux. Platform means operating system. It uses Open Document Format, ODF file format for publishing documents. ODF file format means whenever you save the file, it will use the ODF extension for a file. LibreOffice components are integrated with each other and have a similar look and feel, which makes it easy to use and train. The components of LibreOffice are Writer for word processing, Calc for spreadsheet preparation, Impress for presentation, Base for database management, Draw for drawing and others. This feature I will explain you later on. Look and feel. LibreOffice includes supports for opening and saving files in many common formats, including Microsoft Office, HTML, XML, WordPerfect and PDF file. See this one, this software can open Microsoft Office file formats because Microsoft Office is mostly used software in offices. This is the means you can say the 90% of the market is captured by Microsoft Office. But this software is available free of cost. See this one here, I have told you this one point, free and open source software. Free and open source software means the software is freely available. Open source means its program code is freely available. Like you can also see the its program code, and when you will learn programming language, then you can edit this one software, and you can edit this software according to your own choice. See, this is the first screenshot of LibreOffice. This on the title bar, it is showing LibreOffice here. There are three menus here, and some buttons are here: open files, remote files, recent files, templates. One by one I will explain you all points. See this one, these are the means you can say basic features of this office software. First is writer document. You can create documents in this software. Calc spreadsheet, you can create spreadsheet of software. Impress doc presentation means you can create a PowerPoint like presentation, drawing, math formula, and base database. Database is same like Microsoft Access database. From here you can open files. Open file means you can open files based on these formats. Remote files means remote files basically works for client and server means networking. Like your file is existing on a server, you can open your file from your computer. Recent files means recently created files. Template means a format in which you can create a file. See this one now, how to start LibreOffice Writer. To start LibreOffice, first double click on the LibreOffice shortcut icon on Windows desktop. LibreOffice can be used in Linux and Windows operating system. I will show you here this icon. See, this is the icon. This icon, it is of LibreOffice 6.4. Whenever you double click here, automatically it's open the software. Like here I am double clicking on this software. See this one, it is showing this software. By default it is showing one file because I have created just now here. Now you just close it. Now see, you see this is the screen of the LibreOffice software. It is called as the first screen of the LibreOffice software. Okay, now I am coming to the point. See this one, this screen, it is clearly visible than the previous one screen. Now you can start alternatively. Click on the Start Windows button, select LibreOffice Writer from the application window. You can start in this way. Just to double click here. Now see this one, it is showing the shortcut icon here. This one, it is showing all the means options. You can start LibreOffice Writer from here. Whenever you double click on here, automatically the LibreOffice Writer will open. Now using search command, type the writer. Search command means you can search using from here. From here you can search it. Now the first step is creating a document. How to create a document? Just first you select this one option. See, this is the first screen of the LibreOffice Writer. Now how you will create a document? You go to this one option, text document. Then once you create a document, like here I am creating this document, computer science, then you save it. You save this document. Anywhere you can save it. Like I am saving these documents in my folder. Here, file 1. In this way it is permanently saved in the hard disk. And after that you close this one. Now opening a document. How to open a document? Again I have to open the LibreOffice software. See this one, this is the file. It is showing on this part here, Windows, this one. This file is open. Or you can open using Ctrl-O keyboard shortcut key. See, there are some important points related to keyboard software. Keyboard shortcut keys makes your work fast and you can create documents in short time. But it is not compulsory to cram keyboard shortcuts. But you develop your ability to understand keyboard shortcut keys. Like see this one key here, Ctrl-O. This key is used in Microsoft Office, Microsoft PowerPoint. In lots of software this key is used. There are some commonly used keyboard shortcuts and you try to learn them. Like Ctrl-N is for a new file, Ctrl-S is for save. These are the common keys. Like some more keys are here. Ctrl-X is for cut, Ctrl-C is for copy, Ctrl-A is for select all, Ctrl-Z is for undo, and Ctrl-V is for paste. These are the commonly used shortcut keys. You learn these keys only. In this software, you develop your typing speed, but typing speed enhances your ability. What you work on computer. Nowadays, there is a demand of skills. So develop your skills. See, this is the screenshot to open a file. Or you can say to create a file. This is also called as submenu. See this one, file. Whenever you click this is the main menu. Whenever you click on the file menu here, it is showing the submenu. See this one, a submenu shows the name of the menu, the icon of the menu, and the shortcut key related with the submenu. Now, how to save a document using a password? See this one, and I want to save this document with a password. How I will save it? You click on this option, save with password. Now you set the password. Password means nobody can open your file. Already you means whenever you are working at a means you can say using a public computer. At that time you use this option. Now I am closing this one. I am showing you how I will open this one file. Double click here to open a LibreOffice software. See this one. It is showing the prompt to enter the password 3. See, this is the file. Means before opening a file, I have to input the password. Then it will open the file. This password is used for security purpose for your file, so that another person could not open your file. Okay, thank you for this video.